Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a Fabfitfun unboxing for you. I think this is the winter box. I'm not really sure. I feel like it should be the fall box, but then again, I'm like, I feel like I opened the fall box. I don't know. Before I get started, I do want to state the obvious. I know that these glasses are extremely big on me, but these are actually my migraine glasses. And if you follow me on Instagram, you have seen my post on these before. These I just picked up from Amazon, and they are by Life Art. That's what I guess their logo looks like. So these have a blue/green lens for them, so they're definitely not prescription or anything. They don't help to see better, but the blue light helps to reflect the bright light that comes off of a screen. So like if you work in an office and you get headaches easily, or you work in front of a computer, definitely I would get some blue lens glasses, because they help a lot with just reflecting the bright light that comes off of the computer and goes right into your eyes and gives you headaches. So I've had a headache behind my eyes the last 2 days, and I'm just trying to see if wearing these will help with that. I get migraines really easily, so I figured I would try out these glasses, and I do really like them, and I like that the lens is bigger, but I know that they're really big, so we're gonna look past that right now. I always feel like when I do this with the windows open that my neighbors are like, what is this girl doing? She's talking to herself. As usual, we have, oh, they changed it up. So they always give you some sort of newspaper thing to basically describe each of the products inside of the box. And I normally it's this giant paper and you unravel it and it's huge. But I like that this one is now a magazine. So it makes it a lot more easy to read through and look at things. So I like that. Good call. So the first thing I have here is a HelloFresh $50 off. I got this in my last box too, and I have yet to try it. I really should try it though, because I always like trying new meals, and I always run out of ideas of what I want to do for a meal, so I probably should try this. And then we have a little card here for a Luna bar. I've never tried Luna bars, but again, have heard of them. I'm very picky when it comes to my protein bars, because I don't like protein bars that have a lot of calories, and I don't like them that have just a lot of unnecessary things in it and a lot of added sugar. I'm that kind of defeats the point of having a protein bar or a meal replacement type of bar. So I'll have to look into this one. It does say gluten-free, non-GMO. Oh, it says organic. Probably is pretty good then. The cute little sticker that's on the box is a leaf, so it's probably the fall box. Literally says fall. It's the first thing I'm seeing that has a deer or something on it. So this is Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Interesting. Open lid and fill stainless steel infuser with loose leaf tea. Replace tea bag in the pot. Pour boiling water over tea leaves and close lid. Ooh, me and Aunt have been drinking tea so much. I really got him into tea, which is so funny because I feel like guys never drink tea. I don't know. I grew up with my grandmom drinking it, so. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. This is adorable. You put the, I guess, tea leaves in this. How does this work? Okay, let me break out the magazine. Use 1 teaspoon of leaves per cup of tea. That's real tea. I kind of wish I got the coffee. It was either this or the French press, and I have always wanted a French press. That is the best coffee you could ever have. It's so good. The second thing, ooh, I got a booty blender. That's exciting. I'm actually really excited that I got a beauty blender, and I wanted to try this one out, this color. So this is the pale pink one. It says that it's the original one. So I guess they just changed the color on it, which is fine. I actually have 2 in my drawer, and they're disgusting. I'm gonna chuck these right now, and I'm excited that I got a new one. It's so soft. That's a good thing to give. This is so cute, this magazine, because now it has makeup tips, and it has 50 ways to show gratitude and be thankful, and you can check them off. It has just it looks like a real magazine. That's super cute. Ways that you can use the product. So that was the teacup that I just got. I love that. This is way better than the giant newspaper they usually have. Next I'm seeing, oh my god, is this an umbrella? I'm not going to open it in the house because that's bad luck, but it looks like it has little black and white spots all over, and that's so cute because I always like to leave an umbrella in the car, and I actually don't think we have any in the house because I have one that I always keep in my car, and I'm pretty sure that's like the only one I own. So this is really nice to have. Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Ooh, I'm actually almost out of my shower gel, so that's great because I needed a new one. It says with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. An Italian collection. That smells so good. It literally smells like Italy. I've never been to Italy, but I imagine it smells like this. Oh, it really smells like basil or just like fresh and clean. I love that. Oh, I got one of these Luna bars. So I got the flavor salted caramel nut. And let's check out the ingredients. So it's definitely organic, only 170 calories. Normally I try and stay under 200 because some of them can go up to like 300 and that's just crazy to me. Like, it's a protein bar. No, like it should not have that much in it. Carbs are 22 grams, so that's a little bit higher. Sugar is 16 grams, which is a lot, but not awful. And that's usually what I look for is like the carbs, the sugar, the calories, and just like the product itself, what's in it. And there isn't a lot of actual ingredients, so I'm going to try this now because I'm kind of hungry. I'm going to be honest with you when I try this. So it's not like hard, which is always a plus. So it actually is really soft. Ooh, there's like a middle to it. Ooh, that's really good. It says cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. So I guess this like, this center is cashew. I actually really want to try another flavor. So the 3 flavors are salted caramel nut, chocolate coconut almond, and chocolate peanut butter. And the one I got was the salted caramel nut, which I'm actually glad I got this flavor because I always go for like the same type of flavors. So it's kind of cool that I got a different flavor that I would have like never tried. And I really like it. It's good. I'm seeing a towel and it's like sticking out to me. I kind of can't stop eating this. It's really good. I have learned after making all of these videos, I finally keep a trash can next to me. Because the amount of little things you get in these boxes and little tags, it's just like crazy. And then after I make these videos, I have trash all over. Ooh. So these look like 2 kitchen hand towels, and these are perfect size. I don't want to unravel them because I feel like I'll never be able to fold it up this perfect again. But I like that it comes with 2, and I like that it's very neutral colors because I always try and stick with like white and grays in the house. So this is perfect because it's white and gray. And these actually feel soft. I hate when kitchen towels have, I don't even know how to describe the feeling, but it's like a hard texture and they don't absorb anything. So I like these ones. They feel like they'll be really durable in the kitchen. Glam Glow Mask. Oh, there's 2 here. So we have a bubble sheet oxygenating deep cleanse mask, and there's 2 here of the same. So I don't know. It is an actual sheet mask, it looks like, which I really don't like sheet masks just because I feel like they're always too big for my face, and I feel like you always have to leave them on for a while, and they always slide down my face. But I still do them. I like trying them out, so, and I've heard good things, and I love Glam Glow, so I will definitely still be trying these. Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream. Ooh, this, look how bougie this box looks. I like how sleek it is. It's so like black, white, sleek, classic. Oh my god, this packaging. Look at that. That is beautiful. Grown Alchemist. Okay, so it looks like it's a day cream, and I'm loving the packaging. I'm gonna have to try that out soon. Petalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. Touch and Soul. It looks like the Touch and Soul might be the brand. And this is in the color number 2 Penny. 2 sides to it. One side is a liquid and the other side is a gloss. Totally not my like usual style of lipstick, but I like the metallicness. It's kind of cool. It does feel a little bit sticky, but not awful. Now let's try the gloss on top. I don't know if you're like not supposed to wear that together, but I feel like it's not a good mix. The lipstick wasn't bad. I just didn't really like the gloss with that. I felt like it was a completely different color and it just didn't look too flattering on me. Last thing I have in here, it looks like a giant bag of some sort. See, I try and like have a trash can with me to make it a little bit neater in here, and I still have stuff all over my vanity right now. Ooh, I love this. Oh my god, I love it. Ooh, and it has a little pocket. This smells like pure leather right now. I always like carrying black bags. I carry black bags when I go and do makeup, when I go to work. Like, I love black bags because I feel like it just looks so chic and professional. And this is just it's so soft. So this is just like a leather bag. It does give you care instructions in the inside too, which is really nice because then it tells you, you know, like creasing's normal. It's a vegan leather. So I love that. So I didn't have any animals killed in the making, which is great. You could either get the black or maroon color, and totally like the black. I'm glad I got the black because it matches everything. Vince Camuto Luck Tote. Definitely wasn't like my favorite box, but I'm really pleased with everything that I got, and I'm excited to try out, especially like the shower gel and the face wash. Definitely buying these protein bars, so I'm really excited with the way that this box turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I want to know if you like unboxings. I mean, I've made a ton of Fabfitfun unboxing videos now, so let me know if you like them. Comment down below what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe and like that notification bell so you can stay updated with my wonderful life. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.